Hey y'all, Johnny with RVSWAT. Today I thought I'd show y'all something a little different. So we were going through the RV today and remember that we have this American flag that we got on our way to South Dakota and we haven't hung it up yet. Today we thought we'd pick up the parts to build a flagpole so we can get this hung up. Stick around, we'll show you how we done it. Alright guys, if you look at the table, this is all the parts we're going to need for our flagpole. Pretty simple design. So these 4 pieces of PVC, it's actually one 10-foot section of PVC. You're going to cut it to, these 2 pieces are 4 foot, so you need 2 4-foot sections and then 2 1-foot sections. Other than that, you're going to need a T, a 45, and 2 caps. This is all 1-inch PVC. And then you're also going to need, this is a 1/2-inch rebar, 4 foot long. And we picked up some cup hooks and some 1/2-inch by 2-inch fender washers. And we decided to pick up a flag light. So this is a solar powered light that we're going to use on the flagpole so we can keep the flag flying at night. So let's get it all put together. First thing you're going to do is on one of your 4-foot pieces, we're going to get the flag out and we're going to mark where the grommets line up. And we're going to put a mark there, and that's where we're going to put 2 of the cup hooks to hang the flag. Alright, so I just got the flag laid out where I can get to the grommets. And you see I just laid one of the 4-foot sections down and just put a mark right where the grommets line up. And I pre-drilled the holes. And what we'll do there is put one of the cup hooks alright, just like that. We got our hooks mounted. That's going to hang the flag from there. Now what we need is our 1/2-inch rebar and one of the fender washers. Now for this project you only need 1 fender washer, but everything I found was a pack of 2. But you only need 1 if you can find it. And again, that's a 1/2-inch hole by 2-inch fender, because what's going to happen is this is going to sit in here once I bang this on there, and then the other one, when it sits down through that pole, this is what allows it to spin with the wind so it doesn't get hooked up on the ground. Alright, so you just slide the washer down the rebar. That should be about good. So we'll go drive this in the ground where we want it, and then we'll assemble the flagpole on it. That should be good. Now let's assemble the flagpole and we'll see what she looks like. Alright, so you grab the 4-foot section that does not have the hooks on it, and it's just going to slide right over the rebar, and that's going to give it that free spin right there. Next piece you're going to put on is the 45. So you slide that on like this. Alright. Then you need a 1-foot section. Just like that. And then the T. And again, remember this is all 1-inch PVC. So you're going to put the T just like this. Alright, hurt me so far. And you need the other 1-foot section. There. And a cap. Just like that. And the other 4-foot section, we'll go ahead and put the cap on this end. So we'll cap it here. We'll put this one just like that. There you go. We'll hang the flag from there, and as the wind blows, I should let it rotate on the washer, just like that. So we got the light out of the box. Let's get it mounted. Okay, so the screw that came with it wasn't long enough for me to get the wing nut on it, because the pipe's actually a little bit too big for this clamp. The box is 1.2 inches. I don't know what the actual outside diameter is on a 1-inch PVC, but it's a little big, so I did find a bolt that I had in the RV that we got through there. It looks like it's gonna hold. So we're gonna call that done. We'll see tonight. We'll let this charge up. We'll turn it on tonight, show you what it looks like. But for now, let's grab the flag and get it hung. Just to keep the wind from blowing this off, and we'll never take it off of here again, and I'll just get some needle nose pliers and we'll bend these cup hooks. And here's the flag lit up at night. So our little solar light is working. I would say project is successful. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell if you want notifications. And we will see you in the next video.